Purity. Purity is radiant. Anything that is pure has a certain signature, a frequency signature to it. So it will vibrate at a vibration that will definitely catch your attention. If not on the object or item or person or whatever it is, it will lead you in that direction. So when we think of ourselves in a certain way, we portray a certain image of yourself, because all of that is just matter. So all your thoughts are matter that vibrates at a certain frequency so that it can manifest in a physical formation. So if we use this to navigate through our trials and tribulations, it can be a very, very, very most vital, most potent, powerful tool that we could ever use, is knowing the importance of energy and its role in everything. Its purpose of existence is the reason why we are in existence. That's why our souls never die when it leaves our body, because that is energy. Energy cannot be destroyed but transferred from one form to another. Our thoughts is energetic frequency signatures that we put out there, and this is backed up with our belief system. So if we believe in what we're thinking, there is a very high vibration of energy we're putting out there, and this high vibration causes manifestation. Manifestation is on its highest level when it is done in a pure form, because anything pure and anything authentic is 100 times more stronger, 100 times more potent than anything negative. So if you combine positive emotion with any thought, that feeling surrounding that thought brings that into existence. That is purity. Purity